Hello everybody. Now you are welcome to another Blender tutorial of today. Now I want to show you how to make a simple cartoon opening animation. Now to get started, we need to go to add, mesh and cube. So from here now, we don't want to rig anything here. We just want a simple animation here. So let's increase the size of the cartoon. Okay, like this. Now let's create, okay, so let's go to edit mode and come to this face here, delete the up face. Faces. Good, we have opened the carton. So next come to here, select mode, edge, this edge mode here. Touch this edge, hold shift, touch the other edge. Now let's extrude it up, okay. Let's extrude it up like this. So you press E and Z. Alright, this one is okay. Then let's also come here, touch here, and shift touch here. EZ. Alright, this one will be half of this. Okay, so let's just leave it like this. Alright, so let's go back. So this is how it is initially. But let's go to edit mode again, continue. Each of all these ones now, let's break them. Face mode, come here and press P. Then separated by what? By selection. Nice. You come here, you press P. By selection, you come here, you press P. By selection, then P by selection. Alright, we have separated all these. Now let's go back and check to object mode. You see? So you can move them if you like. Okay, but we don't want to move, don't want to do anything like move here. Next now, let's rotate it. Or let's just shade it first with blue. Come here and come to new, choose any color. I want to choose blue. Okay, so go to shade mode and see it. Alright, so leave the rest as white. This one, leave it as white. Okay, this material 002 for this. Alright, so next let's rotate it. First of all, let's start by rotating this. Let's just do a okay. So now let's click on it, edit mode. To edge, so you click on this down one here because this edge is what we are working on. Now shift S. Let's take the cursor to the select, like this cursor. Now let's take it to selected. So cursor to selected, which is the edge. Then come back to object mode. Then you right click, set origin, which is this point here. I want to set it to this cursor. So set origin to 3D cursor. Nice. So you do the same thing everywhere. Come here, edit mode, touch this under. Oh, sorry. Alright, touch this under, shift S. Cursor to selected. Then you go back, you right click, set origin to 3D cursor. Now you do the same here, Shift S, cursor to selected. Oh, sorry for that. You go to edit mode, you touch this, Shift S, cursor to selected, to object mode, right click, origin to 3D cursor, edit mode, Shift S, touch this one first, Shift S, cursor to selected, right click, origin to 3D cursor. Okay, so let's start to rotate now. At first, let's close it. So you see now that as you are rotating it, it's rotating around the object we just made, the cursor, the 3D cursor. So let's close it. Bring up a new. Okay. Initially here will be 90 degrees, 90. Okay, then you move it to minus 90. Alright, you do the same here. There will be 90. See now that they are not fully covered. Let's just leave it like this. Just leave it like this. Or you can come here and increase, come and increase like this. Okay. So now let's do the same here. You also rotate to, let's rotate it down a bit and do the same thing here. Rotate it down a bit. Okay. Now let's open the carton now. Let's go to keyframe. Touch the first one. Let's see. No. Touch the first one. Press I and go to rotation. Then come here to 60. Press I again to rotation. Then you rotate it like this. And I rotation. Right, let's see. Nice. Do the same thing here. I rotation to 60. I rotation. Then you rotate it. I rotation. Do the same here. Let's start from 40 or from 50. I rotation. I rotation. So you rotate. I rotation. You come back. You come here. I rotation. I rotation. You rotate. I rotation. So let's check. Nice and perfect. So that's how you produce a cartoon animation. Thank you very much for watching. If you like this video, please like, subscribe, and click on the notification bell for you to be notified if I drop any video like this. Bye.